Mark Zuckerberg shielded from personal liability in Meta addiction lawsuits. In a significant ruling that could shape the tech industry's legal landscape, U.S. District Judge Yvonne Gonzalez Rogers has ruled out naming Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta Platforms, Inc., as an individual defendant in ongoing lawsuits concerning the addiction of children to social media platforms. The decision, which was announced on Thursday, determines that the revised complaints in these lawsuits have failed to present enough legal grounds to hold Zuckerberg personally accountable for the alleged damages. These lawsuits, which are part of a larger wave of litigation involving more than 1,000 related suits in California, accuse Meta of knowingly fostering addiction in children through its platforms, particularly Instagram and Facebook. Plaintiffs have argued that Zuckerberg had been consistently informed by Meta employees about the risks posed by these platforms to young users, yet he chose to disregard these warnings and withhold the information from the public. The cases brought forward include serious accusations that Meta, along with other tech giants such as Alphabet's Google, ByteDance's TikTok, and Snap Inc., have developed products that are inherently unsafe for young audiences. Despite this setback, for those seeking to hold Zuckerberg directly responsible, the judge's order does not alleviate the overall pressure on Meta platforms, as the company remains embattled in litigation alleging its responsibility for product addiction issues. Personal liability for corporate officers remains a contentious topic, with corporate law traditions generally protecting executives from such direct lawsuits. Rogers noted that there could be a change of course if further discovery in the case uncovers evidence of more direct involvement by Zuckerberg in what she described as potential fraudulent concealment. These lawsuits underscore an ongoing and complex debate about the responsibility of social media companies for the well-being of their users and the extent of protection that corporate laws should offer to CEOs and other high-ranking officials. Rogers maintains that current allegations do not suffice to tie Zuckerberg personally to the conduct ascribed to Meta. As the case progresses, the larger question of how social media companies may be held to account for their impact on users remains at the forefront of public discourse, with particular concern for the vulnerability of children. Legal experts and the public at large are awaiting further developments to see if any new evidence might prompt reconsideration of this early-stage legal finding. The implications of these cases stretch far beyond the courtroom, delving into the ethics of social media and the lengths to which companies should go to protect their youngest and most impressionable users. While this decision has delineated the limits of personal blame in corporate misdeeds for the time being, Meta still faces substantial legal challenges ahead. Thank you for choosing Satori News.